Did you know Honda makes portable generators? Well, they do, and they're perfect for camping, working anywhere you need. For all kinds of RV comforts like air conditioning or for emergency backup. Hondas are lightweight and quiet. In fact, this one's running now. And with the exclusive Eco Throttle, you can get up to 20 hours on a single tank. Think of all the convenience, from tailgating to charging car batteries to keeping the fun going long after dark. And with Honda's advanced inverter technology, you can run sensitive equipment with total confidence. Honda makes more portable generators for more uses than anyone else. See this EU2000? Two of them provided enough power to film this entire commercial. Honda, the power of choice.